So today we're going to get tires on the Mazda, so I'll be following for that. And yeah, I got the windows down because I can't see out of them. They're frozen. Oh man, I love it though. This reminds me, I mean, it's nice to get little things that you remember from when you're a kid. And growing up in Boston, shit was frozen all the time. So, but now we got to run all the way from Rayford to the Ville and get this done. And yes, it is 29 degrees out, and yes, I am driving my windows down. I am out of my ever-loving fucking mind. And yes, I am freezing my ass off. Oh man, so guys, the Mazda is going to Discount Tire today. And you're gonna say, well, wait a minute, TK, that car doesn't even have no miles on it. You're right. But the tires on that car, and you gotta remember that is a 2017 Mazda 6 Grand Touring. And, you know, after 5 years, you know, or when you get close to 5 years, that's about when it's time for you to replace the tires. It's very similar to like if you have a car and you don't change, you know, you don't drive, you know, 3,000 to 5,000 miles, you still should change the oil in your car like every quarter, right? Like every 3 to 4 months, you should still change that oil. And that's what's going on with the Mazda today. We're at the point now where she's a 2017, even with the low stupid miles that are on it. We're gonna go slap some fresh tires on it today before I'm on my way out of town. So, oh shit. That would have sucked, right? Hit your own car, huh? Wow. You know, I will say this about Fayetteville, and anybody that's here from Fayetteville will also say the same. Motherfuckers like that cause accidents. They'll stop. They'll have like 3 car links in front of them, and they'll just like stop hard. They stop short and almost cause an accident. I see it every day, especially out on Skybo, man. Skybo Road, man. They will do that, man. And it's just like, what the hell, man? Just drive your friggin' car. It's early in the morning, you know, beat feet, keep it moving, stop causing issues, you know, but, you know, whatever. Anyways, we got to go take this thing up here, and hopefully, you know, we're going to drop it off in the morning. We're going to be heading out of town here in the next few hours, but hopefully they can have the tires done before we go. Because then we might actually take the Mazda as opposed to the BMW. We'll see. We'll see. We're gonna look at these tires we got here from Discount Auto and see how they look. But yeah, it was. Yeah, they're clean. Oh yeah, I could tell the difference from what they were before. Yeah, they look good. Well, that's a hell of a jump cut to go from that to this, but you can see we're in the land of palm trees and sunniness. And in front of me, I have something very interesting. In front of me, I have the one and only Silver Ghosted, Silver_Ghosted on Instagram. You guys should go follow him. Should be jumping on YouTube here very soon. You know, I'm gonna push the hell out of it if it happens. But I am here in the lovely weather of palm trees and sand. You can see it is 72 degrees. All that cold shit is out the window. And gonna be rolling down. We gotta pick up a couple of bottles and some appropriate drinks. But yeah, I thought it was an interesting thing. I figured we'd get some content. I didn't think I was gonna film a lot of stuff while I was here, but then I was like, yeah, I'm kind of wasting the position. I should definitely do it. So we're in the building. We're gonna get some different stuff done, and you guys should get some good laughs out of some of the stuff you guys see here as we go. But make sure to go follow him at Silver Ghosted on Instagram. Go do that shit expeditiously. So I hope you guys are having an awesome Christmas Eve, aka day before Christmas. Wanted to give you guys a couple of updates on the Green Monster. You guys, if you saw the beginning of this video, then you guys already saw the Mazda's got brand new, fresh, wonderful tires on it. So now it runs like a better vehicle. That's an accurate statement, right?
Yep.
All right. The 1953 Pontiac Chieftain, you guys should see a video this week. We're going to take it on that 200-something mile run and see if it makes it. No spoilers here. You're going to have to see if the car makes it. Go check out Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. I know he just posted a picture of it over on Instagram. It looks really clean. And like I said, we saw it earlier in the video. Made a shout out to the brother-in-law. Shout out to Silver Ghosted. I saw, you know, you've seen his truck. If you guys want to see a full video on that, I'll probably drop a video on that truck at some time here in the near future. So, but outside of that, I got a couple different things that I need to get taken care of today. But oh, the Green Monstah. We didn't get into that. The Green Monstah is currently sitting at $10,200. It'll be interesting to see what happens. Unfortunately for USAA, you know, they didn't approve the first auction. You know, I don't know if you guys know this. Even if they have a deal with Copart, the insurance company, they still have to pay every time it gets run back through the auction. They don't get no freebies. So I think it might go for less. You know, we saw that it went for $19,700 this last week. I have a very strong belief that it's probably going to sell for less money this week than it sold last week. We'll see what happens. As far as the 1953 Pontiac, I have a few more videos to get with you guys on that. But I think the Pontiac, I know you guys want to see it stay on the channel, and I've seen you guys say that, but I also am looking at what the value is of that vehicle, and if I'm able to sell it for what I think I can get out of it, I think I'm going to sell it. So I'll do a video on that coming soon. You guys will be, ooh, there's an Aspen. I think I'll do a video. That thing was ratchet though. That thing is beat up. I think I'll do a video on that thing soon. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments below. You guys will get a couple videos on that. But I did get some different offers in on the 1953 Pontiac, and I think we're going to go over that first and look at what people have offered for the car. It's kind of like a trade situation, and see what you guys think there. But it is Christmas Eve. It is extremely busy and nuts out here at the moment. And I'm going to pay attention to what I'm doing and where I'm at the moment, and go ahead and take care of the couple things I need to take care of before Christmas. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. I am debating if you guys want me to publish a video for Christmas. I will go ahead and drop one, but I didn't have one scheduled to drop. You guys can let me know either here in the live premiere or the comment section if you guys really want me to drop one for Christmas. I can do that. It's totally 100% up to you guys. You guys are gonna have to let me know whether you guys think I should whether I should drop one or not. So with that said, I want to thank you guys very much for tuning in with me today. I truly appreciate it. You know, it's a bonus video mostly for you guys, so you guys can see what we got going on. And I am genuinely looking forward to getting some stuff done with you guys, and getting things sorted and completed with that 1953 Pontiac, as well as potentially winning back the Green Monstah on Monday. We'll see what happens. You guys remember, we do have Las Vegas coming up. There's going to be lots of content coming from my dude Carlos. We're getting his car channel started. If you haven't subscribed to Silver Ghosted yet, I'm going to link one of his very first videos. He just started YouTube. Go subscribe over there if you haven't already. You may see me cameo over there from time to time. And yeah, just lots of stuff coming soon. I appreciate you guys coming through. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful holiday weekend. Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa. I don't know what, whatever other holiday you celebrate, enjoy it. And yeah, I'm going to go enjoy mine. I truly appreciate it, and I will catch you guys on the next one.
Perfect.